Hey everybody, it's Yamez from Island Metal Forge, obviously not in the forge. I stopped by the house after work and noticed a bunch of packages, sitting at my door. So, quick unboxing video. I'll upload it while I'm on the road to the next job. I kind of know what these are. First off, blacked off addresses. This is from a Mr. Gordon Family Forge. Bless his heart, he's such a cool guy. Open it and make sure everything's here and good. Alright. What he sent me to play with is... a lot of stuff. Okay. Alright. I got a comic book. Cool. I'm going to have to read that. Soulfire Chaos Reign. Well, comic book. Check that out. I got a disco ball. I'm going to have fun with that. I got... I think that's for the disco ball. Yeah, that's a little disco ball thing. Put some batteries in it, and this is the party. I got a camera tripod thing, and I got a Samsung Gear 360 that he's graciously, he found, he got a new one, he upgraded, and he found, and he's letting me play with this one. He sent me this, and, I get to play with it. So, I won't have time right this second. I'll probably bring it with me at work and, play with it and charge it and mess with it, but, maybe download the apps that I need and whatnot and learn how to use it, while I'm at work, hopefully. But I got a quick troubleshooting job to go play with. This is all the product key information, all that stuff, so that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Alright, so that's that first box. Alright, now, I know what these are. I don't know how to open these. I don't want to just rip them, but I guess I'm going to just rip them. Alright. This one here is one of 3. Island Metal Forge, Island Crew. I got smithing shirts. Alright. Yeah, I got 3 of them. Military green, chocolate, and a dark one. See? Yeah. Alright. That's awesome. I don't wear shirts until after I've washed them. The starch and the packing starch irritates me, so I'm going to take and toss those in the laundry. And then here's another big one. Been waiting on this one. This one Mr. Ting Ting made. So, that's the Quad Squad shirts. Hell yeah, Quad State 2018. Looking forward to that. Alright. So that's all I got for you today. I'll probably be hitting the forge later today after work. I got some stuff to do here and there. Knock a few things together, try and get ready for the live show tomorrow. Don't forget, everybody, Miss Penny over there at the New Penny Forge is going live for her 250 subscriber show. She promised, and she's taken off right after Forging with Yamez. She's going to go on. That's 2 o'clock Eastern, 7 p.m. British Standard Time, BST, whatever that is. But, yep. So, all right. I got to get back to work. Boss is sitting in the truck waiting for me. So, hearts and health. Thank you, Sam, so much. I'm going to have a blast with this. Thank you, Ting, for setting up those Quad State shirts. I have 3 Island Metal Forge shirts. I know I'm going to keep at least one. I might figure out to do something with them. I don't know. They are 2XL, I believe. And anyway, again, she's honking. Gotta go. Bye. Hearts out.